I am Agniv Maitra. I am studying in class 9B of the Future Foundation School, Kolkata. Today I am going to show how a potentiometer works. A potentiometer basically varies the input current in a similar fashion that a velocity also varies the current when its due to change in resistance when pressure is applied on it. Okay, so I have connected a system on chip which is nothing but Raspberry Pi 2. See this orange wire, this is the VCC which carries 3.3 volt and it is connected to one end of the potentiometer. This ground wire means this yellow wire, which is the ground wire, this carries 0.0 volt and this is connected to the other end of the potentiometer. So I am now going to read the output coming from the potentiometer. I have basically connected my breadboard with this multimeter and it is set on 20 volts, which means that it will read the voltage coming from the potentiometer. So now let's begin. So when I screw my potentiometer clockwise, the voltage decreases. See, the voltage decreases. 0. Now when I screw my potentiometer anti-clockwise, the voltage will increase. So I have connected this potentiometer with MCP3008. MCP3008 is nothing but an analog to digital converter or an ADC. What does an analog to digital converter do? Since the Raspberry Pi 2 here cannot read analog data, so this ADC reads or inputs, or rather inputs the analog input from this potentiometer, converts it to digital format or digital input, and then transmits it to Raspberry Pi 2. So my this potentiometer is connected with the ADC, and this is done so that when the voltage will reach a threshold value, the LED will glow. Okay, this is likewise when there will be a threshold value in resistance in the velocity 2, means when it will reach a threshold value, a signal will be given and then it will be lowered down. So here the LED will glow, and then after the threshold value has reached, I will again reduce the value and then the LED will stop glowing. So let's see how it works. I am now increasing. See, the LED has started glowing. That means this is the threshold value. Now I will reduce it. The LED has stopped glowing. So see, the circuit diagram is shown here, and we have connected the pins to every places like it is given in the circuit diagram. So we have learned the working of the potentiometer, and we will use the same principle that we have used here while working with the velostat. As we all know, when pressure is applied on velostat, the resistance will decrease and the current flowing will increase due to Ohm's law. And we have also learned that we can convert the analog data into digital data using an ADC, and then that data will be read by an SoC or system on chip, and then that data can be published on cloud. Thank you. Bye.